Hello everyone, hello my beautiful people. Is the one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, today's topic na about. Now remember the topic when I do. When I say a woman they use they wash person wey don kpeme body say they cook for people. Una remember, my ogbonge people now one of my follower come send me another one say, Mama, you dey talk about somebody wey go wash body, take cook, person wey don kpeme. The one wey one sent for you now, this one they cut people wey don kpeme till they cook. Like they go use am take do meat. Now say, are you kidding me? It's like you are kidding me right now. You can say no, not true too. Now say, I beg. Send am make I see am. Now you can send am my people. When I see am I shocktalize, I say, you mean na? They can't even catch. I see where they tie the woman. They tie am for one this thing there. They tie the woman, they beat her. What did they do? The woman not be smart now? Say she even deserve more than that. The many people they cut their body till they cook. Hey, now me they even they talk about the one where be say where they wash body. This one self they even meme them. You can't use them take cook. Now say hey, matter dey o my people. Not the way Musa no go see forget. Things they happen for this life oh. Things they happen You just many people they use their body till they cook. Not the way Musa no go see forget my people no. I can't see where they tie the woman, they beat her not be small. Me even they say the one wey wash body. I don't even know say this one I even was past the one wey wash body. Now wow people, wanna see something They say wetin you never see, you never work carriage. Then now God will just dey pray for God. Now be the only answer. Now only God will dey pray for. See where we want go eat. Make God use the blood take cover am because what take on the apple for this world now it pass Jerome really. It pass Jerome What did they happen? Like seriously? What did they happen? Pass lazing the thing they shocktalize me. What did they happen for this world? The thing like they surprise me. People go just day life, open restaurants. They look for people, but the way they want. No, more na fear God, more na fear God really. More na fear God though, because what una they do, God is watching everybody. How you just day life, just evil go just day your mind. You just they plan evil. How you want it? How you go they plan how you want to they use people body till they cook. As you they able they do your mind not they able tell you say this thing when they do so na bad thing. No, una will still continue to the do am. You just sit down. Your mind go say make people they use until they cook. Who does that? My people, I fear will not fear that woman. I fear will not fear the woman wey do this thing, where they use people body till they cook. People wey don kpeme, human being, they use them till they cook my people People will be say they know they like to eat for house. Now get this message People wey love restaurant, they will get wife for house. They look for restaurant where they want go eat. Now they talk to so. More now they pray now let God go come know who is who for that Africa so. How can somebody go just they use people body till they cook? Me they even talk of the one wey go wash the person wey don meme. I never even know say this one this one I even the one wey be say we see we just meme you go come go cut their body use and take do meat. You can't do one like toast, can't put them till the no you can't fry them. You dey say na meat you dey eat. Nigeria what did they happen? What did they play for that Nigeria? wetin dey play for Africa, so Africans no be only Naija, Africans wetin dey play for una. Evil too full that Africa, evil everywhere, my people. Evil everywhere. Oh, things dey happen, oh. Now say if I not tell my people, then wetin I gain? Man, still tell una more and see the latest news wey as in the thing. I say again one time when I go Naija, when my dad dey tell me say one man he buy malt for Nigeria, all those malt wey dem dey call dey sell for Africa shop for here, they come carry Nigeria home. Na know say Nigeria how dey dey. They come carry come from e dey carry am come Europe. So as they come control am. As they control am, they come see say the malt don expire, and the malt don even spoil. Some no even good again. They even see something for inside the malt sef. So they come throw away everything. They come say you no fit come payment people for Europe, you know. So the man come when the man come go Nigeria again, come go sue them. Come tell them say him go sue una because he buy this thing many. So why una will come give am fake thing like that? Una know wetin the people tell am. They tell am say you no tell us say na Europe you dey carry am dey go. Suppose you tell us, we get the one wey we forgive you. We forgive you the main one. Since you don't tell us, everything say na Naija, then you want for sell am. Hey, now the man say okay. Now be say the one wey people dey even drink for Naija na acid. Help God help Africa people. Let my papa say so the one wey we dey drink for Africa na acid, na bad thing una dey even give us. People dey this world. People dey this world. Is it suppose he tell them they for do better one give am? Since he not tell them, so that is say na Africa there. Now you want for sell and I make them give am that kind of one. Hey, and there I fear. Oh, now say things dey this life, things dey this world. Oh, now the year matter. Say he not tell them. Suppose he tell them, therefore know how they will tell and region for am. Hey, I fear will not fear Africa people. I fear will not fear now. I fear will not fear now. Now the year matter. See this one now, the many people, you go come cut them, you fry them, use and take cook for restaurant. People will go they eat. Me they even they talk of the one where they wash body. This one are just you go just payment them. I beg I fear will not fear African people. I fear will not fear now. My people now say I can't tell you now. If I not tell you now, waiting again. Now say I can't update you now for the latest one again though, my people. Thank you, everybody. Take care until I come your way next time again. One not just they look say with the talk and I say they to the gossip, they to the talk. No, one they learn from inside. Share the video, not just leave the video, just watch and just leave and like that. Share them, go all the social media, share them to people, share them to your friends, so that make they see what they happen for Naija, for Africa. Wanna see what they happen too. You understand? So share it. Don't be stingy with it. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Bye, everybody. Bye.